Hello everyone. Today I will be trying this new device that I have bought from AliExpress. It's a TDS meter, a Xiaomi TDS meter that costs around $9. And as you can see, this is the package. And unfortunately, it's written in, I think this is in Chinese. But a TDS meter is a device that's very easy to use, so no need for instructions. Now I will be unpackaging this device. So this is how it comes. It's a pretty stylish device. It's a bit different than other TDS meters in terms of style. So this is the Xiaomi TDS meter. Okay, so it's a standard TDS meter. It's very accurate. It already comes with the batteries. And now let's try it. First of all, of course, we have to remove this cover. And I have already poured some water, and now I will turn this on using this button. So it's very easy. Okay, turned on. Apparently I have to push longer. Okay, so I have 0 and here it's written ppm, so 0 ppm. Now I will put this device into the water. And as you can see, now I am getting the result. I have to wait a bit. Till now it's 91. So apparently my TDS, my water's TDS is 91 ppm, and now it's 92, so it's around, it's in the 90s. So I have a very good water in terms of total dissolved solids. Now simply I can, okay, now it came back to 0, and now I can simply put back the cover and then turn it off. So this was my Xiaomi device. It's a pretty accurate device and it's very easy to use actually. If you want to learn more about water treatment, you can take the water treatment for beginners course on Udemy. You can find the link in the description below.